The visible internal corner profile, whole room installation. When installing around the whole room, and you're using the visible internal corner profile, start fixing the panels in one corner, paneling in both directions so that the last wall to be paneled is the wall with the doorway. You want to finish up with the last panel installed and cut to fit over the doorway. When setting up the first panel, apply sealant into both channels of the internal corner profile and fix it to the wall. Once you have your corner profile in place, start from the corner and go left to right. Measure the width needed and cut the aqualock joint off the left-hand side of the panel. Dry fit the panel and make sure it's plumb before using any sealant. If you have a panel with a tile effector sign, make sure the grout lines match up when you do the dry fitting. Apply sealant on the cut edges. Slide the panel into the corner profile and make sure it is plumb. Fix the panel in place with screws through the dedicated groove in the aqualock joint into the stud strips on the wall behind. For fully covered plasterboard walls, space the screws at no more than 200 mm apart. Make sure the lower screw always goes through both the aqualock joint and the base profile behind. Now you can work from left to right, sealing and clicking each panel into place. The sealant always goes on the male part of the aqualock joint. Each joint should have the excess sealant removed with a Fibo Clean spray and Fibo sealing tool and then cleaned with a Fibo wipe. Always remember to seal all the joints, including the aqualock joint and any cut edges of the panel. The last panel of each run of a wall should be measured and cut to size and then swung into position with the internal corner profile already sealed and attached. Finishing above a doorway. Cut the two panels on the left and right of the door so they have a centered space that is a full panel width over the door frame. The last panel can be inserted using the tongue and groove on one side and fitting flush on the other. Measure and cut the panel to size, cutting off the aqualock joint from one of the sides. Dry fit the panel to make sure it fits and that any grout lines visible match up. Glue the back of the panel and seal all the edges before fitting in place. Screws can be used around the door frame, as you can cover these up with an end cap or profile.